What's good, beautiful people? The day is fantastic. The portfolios are green. Would you like to see what my portfolios hold? I suggest you hold on and stay tuned because we got a new video coming for you. You did!
1,000, 2,000 trees. I'll make guacamole from investing in my brother.
Bueno, and my brother. Lanzo Lamello, I get it with my brother. Okay.
What is good, YouTube? It is your motherfucking boy, The Session. As you see, we're here on this beautiful California day. You see the sun peeking through the blinds, but beautiful picture in the back. Wow, what is that? Portrait? Cartoon portrait made by Lulu Cartoons. I'll pop that up on the screen and have some shit on my mouth. But we're back, and you see we have an orange phone, orange Flyers jersey. We have orange pearls, you know? So that's telling you we're coordinated for a reason. I come here just to show you business. I want to show you how my portfolios look, public, Robinhood. I'm going to run through, give you an update on what I've invested in today that I saw a dip in, and just let you see overall what the portfolio looks like and how much we have or up or down. Okay. Thank you, everybody who's joined the Discord. Thank you, everybody who's watching this right now. Thank you to everybody who shared my content or supported in any way. I love you. If you haven't supported yet and you want to join the Discord or you want to support, hit the link below. You know we got everything you need in the description. I love you. Hope you're having a great day. If no one else told you, I'm telling you now. I'm proud of you. You're doing amazing. You're doing fan-fucking-tastic. Okay, this channel here is about mindset, nothing to do with money. I show you how I get money and make money because my mindset is pure. When your mind is right, you think differently, you move differently, you attract different shit to you. All right, let's get into the portfolio. All right, first things first, we're going to get to this screen right here. Your phone will not look like this. If you want some wallpapers, holla at me. Okay, so we go over to the money page. You'll see public and Robinhood is there. Boom. Let's start off with public. Public, we have $7,983. We're used to the 8,000s over here in public, so this is a little ugly, but it's okay. Let's scroll down and see what we got popping over here. And again, public is, to me, the sexiest app that offers, you know, a UI-friendly investment, you know, for beginners and people that are intermediate. If you want to look at more detailed charts, you might want to check out Webull, which I have a link for also below. So we got you covered everywhere. So now you'll see AVXL, Tilray is down on the day. Again, I will be selling my position in Tilray. I will be selling. I will be getting a cannabis ETF. Which ETF? I'll let y'all know soon. Still deciding and figuring that out myself. I want you to see Amazon. We have a share of that. I love to show y'all this. When we go down, boom, you see that we almost have a whole share, 0.95%. You'll see Disney, Disney's down on the day. But here, we have Teladoc. And I want to show you that I just put a couple $100 more. We almost have 4 shares of Teladoc. So I'm going to be significantly increasing my position in Teladoc. Again, if you don't know what that is, you can check out my videos we did last week and the weeks previous. But this is the future. This is how, you know, some of us were getting our med card for cannabis in California. It's a virtual doctor. It's going to be able to come on your phone. You can get cheaper prescriptions. You don't have to get, you know, this expensive health insurance, because oftentimes after we turn 26, health insurance gets a bit expensive, you feel me? And if it makes no sense to be penalized for not having health insurance, or if you get health insurance, you have to pay if you don't get sick. Shit don't make sense. We're off that. Teladoc is here. But this is some news I found. When we look at Miss Cathie Wood, we know we love her. She's the CEO of ARK Invest. Now, I've shown y'all before the ARK Invest actual portfolio and their holdings. Teladoc is their 5th biggest position, over $200 million in there. And listen to this, peep game. ARK's founder, CEO, and chief investment officer, Cathie Woods, the firm's actively managed ETFs have shown impressive performance over the years. The ARK Innovation ETF, ARKK, that's up 497%. The one we are talking about is the energy one, I believe, which is ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, ARKW, 638% increase. So we are among great company. This being the 5th biggest position they have, this is a great sign to me. I love that. And you'll see beautiful Apple. We're not going to buy in Apple until that starts hitting the 120 somethings. You know, when it drops down, then we will buy, load up as much as we can. Costco is the last position we have in public. But again, public is here. If you want to follow me, This is at the session. Make sure you come check me out. We talk about all types of good topics, great conversations. We're getting thousands of views and engagement here, so it's dope. Now let's go over to Robinhood. All right, everybody, start from the tippy top. We are open on tip ranks. Tip ranks, very beautiful. We're going to go and review over some of the stocks that we haven't touched on that are in our Robinhood portfolio. So, okay, AMC. Okay, as you see, AMC. I want to just show you that AMC is at $37 right now. And I believe that I'm going to add more position. Every time I get some more capital, I'll grab a little more AMC because the low to mid 30s is a good entry to me. I believe this meme stock will continue to run up and have random surges. But in reality, this stock is a $5 stock because when we look at the tip ranks, analysts and analysis, we see that even the best performing analysts understand that this really is a $5 to $10 stock, just busting moves and shit. But you know, we still want to continue to keep our position. At least I do. I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, next, I want to show you Arrowhead. As you see, beautiful charge point, CSWC. You'll see Disney. You'll see beautiful Galt. Now, my baby Galt is finally having some upness to it. I want y'all to see Galt. Look at the price prediction. They are projected to go to $14. 14 whole dollars. It is at $2.67. I know it seems hard to see for some of you, for some of us. Trust me, I'm in there. But I am long holding this stock until it gets back to the previous high of $5.10. I'm going to take some profit and then see what happens. You do what you want. Okay. Next, we're going to go check out Mara. Y'all know about that. It's a blockchain technology company. So when the crypto goes up, guess who also goes up? Mara and Riot. So I love this. The PE ratio on Mara is a bit high. It's in the high 40s. And shout out to Peter Lynch for teaching us. The PE ratio is a way to determine how long it will take you to recoup your investment. So oftentimes, whatever the PE ratio says, that's often what or how long it will take you to earn your investment back fully. Shout out to Peter Lynch. And all right, I want to show you NEO. So when we come to NEO, I want you to see that the price target is $65 within the next year. I've shown you different reports in the past that have shown $100 within the next year. But either way, $65 is $21 more than we got right now. Okay? 3 analysts believe that this is a strong buy. The rest just believe it's a buy. Boom, boom, boom. You see that there's plenty of proof in the pudding to back that. The SMART score is a 6. And the SMART scores are often calculated by following the analyst ratings, blogger opinions, hedge fund activity, insider activity, the investors like you and I, news sentiment, technicals, and fundamentals. All right. So you can go into there, check it out for yourself. You need the discount, $40 off. I got you. Now let me just go open Robinhood just so y'all can see what the portfolio looks like. You dig? We are up $170. Green Day, but y'all still owe me some bread. I need to be back in the 10s, aka the 11,000s actually. Boom, this is what the portfolio looks like. PSEC, you can see how many shares I have. NEO, 64 shares almost. With NEO, we see that they're actually about to give their reports on their earnings, and that's going to be on August the 11th. So that's another reason that they're green today. When people get to find out if you outperformed or if you underperformed, if you sold or undersold, they love that. Love speculation. So that's a good thing. This is the portfolio. I'm excited. I'm going to continue to increase my positions. I'm very, very excited. Let me know what other videos y'all want to see below. We are on the recovery journey to get the channel back in the mix, on the road to 100K subs. I love you. We are doing a giveaway tonight. If you're watching this is on Friday, July 30th. Tonight, 7:45 p.m. Pacific time, during a giveaway, as usual. I will be giving away a John Morant rookie card. So you will have an opportunity to win that, some Discord links, and more. I love you. Stay tuned. Check out the description below. I love you. Good day.